Hello, this is Doug at Jam & J Auto and Tire, and today we're looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze that has the 1.4 liter four-cylinder engine, and we're going to show you what we're doing today. This car has one bad injector, and we talk about things around here like people doing jobs for themselves. Well, I'm going to show you what happened on this vehicle. We actually have a fuel injector that went bad, and we took on the job side. We're going to try and do it for this lady, but it turns out it needs a special tool. We're going to show you right now what this special tool does. Basically what it does is it bolts to the top of the fuel rail, and then it uses a slide hammer to pull that thing back out as one assembly. Now once that's pulled out, we're going to be able to take it over here and replace, and we're going to do all four fuel injectors. And since we're in here, there's only one that's bad, but you know, why would you only do one if you have to go through all this? So once again, I want you to see this is a special tool. It has these little tube things that will actually bolt to the fuel injector rail, and the reason why they're building these things like this and needing special tools is because this is what's called a direct injection engine, and this is actually a high pressure fuel rail. So this car has two fuel pumps, one in the fuel tank just to get the fuel up to the front, and then there's a high pressure fuel pump that actually goes in and powers up this whole system, and they're directing the fuel, injecting the fuel directly into the cylinder, which requires higher fuel injector pressures. Also, we're supposed to go in and replace these little Teflon seals, and there's yet another special tool just to do those seals. And here's the crazy thing, we already have a Teflon tool around here, but it doesn't work on this engine. So just for this one engine they make this tool. It does cover some other European cars, but if you're going to get in the garage in your home and try and do this one, you may want to think twice about it.